Hi guys, so I want to use this opportunity to kind of demonstrate how this system works. I can probably understand a lot of people are kind of confused. I'll just try as much as possible to help everyone understand. So on the Airtable base, I want to take this record, interview 71, to kind of explain how we enter records and how this, like the flow of data entry in this system. Remember, we can kind of enter the records like horizontally, right? Or we can kind of follow kind of the systematic flow to enter the records. So remember, this is interview 71. That's the one we are working on. It usually gets confusing when we start linking records, right? Anywhere you see the sign link record from, just know that this is coming from another base. For example, this booking is coming from the booking base, right? But it's going to be related to this clinic record. Same thing with the members. So these are just the records, right? So here, for example, this is what I'll be using for the demo. I want to kind of create or link records from L1 to 3 4 base. That is this base here. That's level 1 2 3 4. Want to do an assessment for the devices, right? So usually when you click here, you can select or you create a new one, because I found that this is kind of confusing. Create a new one for a new assessment. Now it opens a new window and it shows you the link going to this table, telling you that this record is actually coming from the L1234 base. So here you start entering the records. These records are based on this device, on the device rather. So first of all, asks you to select the client for this assessment. Select the client here. Then start answering the questions. Select the category of the device. For example, it's a desktop. Then what is the overall risk level? I'm gonna do this. It's supposed to come at the end. Device is owned by select who owns the device, maybe client, device who purchased the device, and all that, right? I know this is kind of confusing to some people, and I want to kind of explain how this thing works, so that if you are kind of entering the data using a table, you understand at which point you are on the system. So the developers of AirTable platform I think they are aware of these limitations, and that is why we have other external platforms that are integrated to Airtable to kind of improve the functionality, especially the user interface. So I want to show you what I've been working on. So this is the clinic section. This is the same as this. Take a look at the records. They are the same. So remember, we'll be working on interview section, interview record 71. You can see the records have not been filled out yet. In this particular example, I will be concentrating on just entering I want to show you how entering a related record would look like. So you can see here, this has not been kind of entered. We have two records here, by the way. Let me quickly delete this one so that I can enter another one. So we only have one record here. I need to add another one. Remember, this is going to be added to the L1234 base, right? So let's go. So here is the list of the clinic sessions. So this list is coming from the interview base or the clinic section. Actually, this will be renamed to be the clinic base, as we have it here, the clinic base. So these are the list of all the clinic records called session list. So I can easily type search for the record, and I have 71. It searches for the interview record number 71. As you can see, it has not really been completed. So let's click on there. Takes us to the interview 71 record. So now we are on what we call the record page. This is called the record page, meaning this is just the individual page for this particular record. So we have left the list view. We are now on the record page. So on this page, we want to see every details, every other table or every other record from other tables that are related to this particular clinic record, interview 71. If I click here, this edit button will allow me to edit the fields that are residing on the clinic base, right? The clinic base. This base, all the records. When I mean all the records, I mean all the local records, the main fields that are for the clinic base. I don't mean these ones. These ones are related fields. You see them linked to another record. That's the field type. When you see this, it means it's this particular field or record is coming from a different base. Can be any of these, right? When you see this, but these ones here, they are local. They are actually on this base, right? So this edit button here is telling us that the fields that we can kind of edit would be the fields that are, look at these fields here, they are kind of local to this record, to this particular clinic. While the other ones that have add new, they are actually from a different table. For example, this is coming from risk level 1, 2, 3, 4 risk assessment, right? This is coming from level 5. That is why you are having add new, and it's telling you no records, no records, no records. In a database design, this is called a portal. This is called a portal, meaning you are seeing information coming from a different base or a different table. While these ones here are local, they're the field. These fields are actually local on this this particular table, this clinic. So these fields here are not coming from any other table. They are inside here. So when I click this edit button, it will allow me to edit only those fields. You can see them. I can easily edit them. But for the other ones that are coming from another table, I can't edit them here. I need to either add new, right? Add new means it gives me opportunity for me to add the record in the related table, then bring them over to this table. That's how it works basically. So I'll just